Good evening to you. They asked for help after a deadly tornado devastated their community, but now, nearly 4 years later, a state audit claims Morgan County leaders can't account for hundreds of thousands of dollars in federal disaster aid.
The scathing audit also claims to have found evidence of waste, fraud, and abuse after the 2012 tornado. Our Victor Puente is tracking that investigation in our top story at 6.
The report is 65 pages long. In it, the outgoing state auditor claims the fiscal court of Morgan County failed to have any oversight over the way former judge executive Tim Conley handled the county's money following a tornado that destroyed much of West Liberty. The current judge executive, who took over in January of 2015, says they're doing their best to recover.
It really wasn't a surprise. Of course, we knew nothing about it. I mean, we didn't know what they was going to find.
Conley is serving a 7-year prison sentence for accepting kickbacks from a contractor in the months following the tornado.
Citizens of Morgan County, I think, thought of him fondly, you know, and was surprised that things turned out the way they did. I know I was.
One of the issues that audit raised was a new concession stand here at the city pool. They said that federal funds could be used to repair a structure, but it appears to have been used to improve this structure. The new judge executive said they weren't sure exactly how that money was spent because all of that paperwork was taken by the FBI as part of their investigation into Tim Conley.
The FBI didn't turn the records over to us. They said it was an ongoing investigation. Now, take that for whatever it means.
The auditors claim the county didn't follow federal regulations for expenditures, and in some cases, the county employees created invoices the auditors couldn't prove the work was actually done. The report also said at least $779,000 worth of government contracts for debris removal didn't have enough detail, and $240,000 in expenses didn't have contracts at all. Franklin, a former banker, says they've made changes since he took office, such as a finance office and more scrutiny for his position.
I'm going to go through the audit and try to answer all the questions that they ask and make some kind of prevention for it not to happen again.
And those questions may continue. The auditor's office turned their report over to the Attorney General, the Department of Military Affairs, the Department of Agriculture, and the FBI. In Morgan County, Victor Puente, WKYT.
The state audit also says that Morgan County owes a vendor more than $900,000. The vendor is now suing the county for that money. If you want to read the full report, we have a copy on WKYT.com.